France is one of the most visited countries in the world, and for good reason. From the romantic streets of Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, from the glamorous beaches of Nice to the fairy tale island of Mont Saint-Michel, France offers culture, cuisine, history, and breathtaking landscapes. But before you pack your bags, here are some important things you should know. 1. Learn basic French phrases. While many people in tourist areas speak English, especially in Paris, you shouldn't assume everyone does. French people truly appreciate it when visitors make an effort. Simple phrases like bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, s'il vous plaît, please. Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Starting every interaction with bonjour is essential. Skipping this greeting can be seen as rude. Politeness matters a lot in French culture. 2. Understand dining culture. France is famous for its food, and dining is treated as an experience, not something rushed. Meals are typically longer, especially lunch and dinner. Waiters won't constantly check on you because they respect your space. If you need something, you usually have to make eye contact or politely call them. Tipping is different too. Service is included in the bill by law. You can leave small change or round up for excellent service, but large tips, like in the US, are not expected. Also, dinner often starts later, usually after 7:30 p.m. 3. Public transportation is excellent. France has one of the best rail systems in Europe. The high-speed TGV trains make it easy to travel between major cities like Lyon, Marseille, and Bordeaux. In Paris, the metro is fast, affordable, and well-connected. However, keep your belongings secure. Watch out for pickpockets in crowded areas. Validate your train tickets where required. If you plan to explore rural regions like Normandy or the French Alps, renting a car may be more convenient. 4. Sundays and holidays are quiet. Many shops, supermarkets, and businesses close on Sundays, especially outside major tourist cities. Plan your shopping ahead of time. Restaurants and bakeries may still open in the morning, but don't expect full business hours. Public holidays can also affect transportation schedules. 5. Dress smart and blend. In French, style is effortlessly chic. You don't need luxury brands, but try to avoid overly casual outfits like gym clothes or flip-flops in cities. Neutral colors, simple outfits, and comfortable but stylish shoes will help you blend in. This is especially true in Paris. Looking less like a tourist can also reduce unwanted attention. 6. Be aware of cultural etiquette. The French value privacy and personal boundaries. Don't speak loudly in public. Avoid asking overly personal questions. Always greet shop staff when entering small stores. In smaller towns, people may greet each other with bonjour, even on the street. If someone says bon appétit, it's polite to respond with a smile and thank them. 7. Museum and attraction tips. France is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. Book tickets online in advance, especially during peak season. Lines can be very long. Many museums offer free entry on the first Sunday of each month. Arrive early in the morning or later in the afternoon for fewer crowds. 8. Safety and practical tips. France is generally safe, but like any major destination, watch for pickpockets in tourist hotspots. Avoid empty metro cars late at night. Keep copies of important documents. Tap water is safe to drink throughout the country. Pharmacies are marked with a green cross and are extremely helpful if you need medication or advice. 9. Best time to visit. Spring, April to June, and fall, September to October, are ideal. The weather is pleasant, and there are fewer tourists. Summer is beautiful but crowded, especially in Paris and the French Riviera. Winter is quieter and perfect for visiting Christmas markets or skiing in the Alps. 10. Explore beyond. Paris is incredible, but France has so much more. Consider visiting the wine regions of Burgundy, the colorful villages of Alsace, the dramatic cliffs of Etretat Cliffs, the lavender fields of Provence. Each region has its own identity, cuisine, and charm. Final thoughts. Traveling to France can be magical if you understand the culture and plan ahead. Respect the local customs, slow down, enjoy the food, take your time. France isn't just a destination, it's an experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips from Tiny World Tours.